Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 100, factorization, section C, achiever, toughest one. State true or false, first one. Factors of an expression are always either algebraic variables or algebraic expressions. Algebraic variable means what? See this, ax square plus bx plus c. This is an algebraic expression, and variables means x or y. So do you mean that the factors are only these ax square plus bx plus c or x or something related to x? No. Why? Check this example. 4x square minus 16x plus 16. If you see the factors of 4, x minus 2 and x minus 5. Is 4 an algebraic expression? No. Is 4 an algebraic variable? No. So the answer is false. Next. An irreducible factor is a factor that cannot be expressed further as a product of factors, means which cannot be reduced further. So that is true. What is the prime number? Same logic. See this example, same one as earlier, 4x square minus 16x plus 16. What are the factors? 4 into x minus 2 into x minus 2. Can they be reduced further into some other mathematical expression? No. So this is irreducible factor. So the answer is true. Next, every binomial expression can be factorized into two monomial expressions. So that is also false. Again the same example. See, x minus 2 is not a monomial. It is again a binomial. So polynomial can be expressed in terms of monomial, binomial or monomial also. And this is binomial. Can this further be reduced into monomial x minus 2? No, it can't be reduced. That's why this is false. The process of writing a given expression as a product of two or more factors is called as multiplication of factors. That is false. That is called as factorization. Okay, this is factorization. Next, fill in the blanks. Again 4 to 5 sub questions. Let's see. A square minus b square upon a into a minus b minus ab square plus a square b upon ab square is equal to, means basically you have to factorize. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b upon a into a minus b, and this part is what? Take ab as common and you get b plus a, and below ab square. So solve it. A minus b gone. So a plus b upon a minus a plus b upon b. So cross multiply. It becomes ab plus b square minus a square minus ab. Right? Check the signs properly. The whole upon ab. Right? Next. Therefore ab gone. B square minus a square upon ab. So bring it to means lowest level. B plus a into b minus b. B minus a. The whole upon ab. That is the required answer. Next, 64y raised to 4 plus 8y cube, the whole upon 4y cube is equal to, here, just solve it. Take 8y cube common. What remains is 8y plus 1, the whole upon 4y cube. Right? So y cube gone, 4 1s are 4 2s. So answer is 2 into 8 plus y. That is the answer. When we divide 38 a cube b cube c square minus 19 a raised to 4 b square c by 9 a square bc, the result is k ab square minus a square b. Then the value of k is here. Very simple problem. Divide this full expression above by 19 a square bc. Okay. Now how to divide? You can do by division method also, or follow the simple factorization method. 38 and 19. You can immediately see the factors. So take 19 a cube b square c common. Okay. And what remains? 2bc minus a upon 19 a square bc. Okay. Cancel this. What remains? ab only. Equals to ab 2bc minus a. Means ab into 2bc minus a. Again solve the bracket. 2ab square c minus a square b. But what is given? What remains is kab square c minus a square b. So that's why this expression will be equal to kab square c minus a square b. So k equals to 2. That is the required answer. Next, which of the following is a factor of 12 into a square plus 7a the whole square minus 8 into a square plus 7a into 2a minus 1 minus 15 into 2a minus 1 the whole square. Now these are the following options given, and we have to find the factors. Which one of them is one of the factors of this? Now instead of solving this directly, what you do is convert this a square plus 7a into capital A and take this 2a minus 1 as capital B. Then the expression becomes what? 12a square minus 18ab plus 15b square, right? Now follow our rule. 12 into 15 minus 15, that is minus 180 a square b square, and a square and b square. Okay, and now you have to find some number so that multiplications adjusts 180 a square b square and minus also, and addition adjusts minus 8 ab. So what is that number? 10 ab and 18 ab, right? 18 into 10 180, and 10 minus 18 minus 8. So both the conditions are satisfied. So let's move on. Therefore expression is 12a square plus 10ab minus 18ab minus 15b square. Okay, now take first 2a common, then 6a plus 5b, same 6a plus 5b on the other side, and so remaining is minus 3b. So now 6a plus 5b common, 2a minus 3b into 6a plus 5b. Okay, now re-input the values of a and b. So it becomes 2 into a square plus 7a minus 3 into 2a minus 1 square bracket close into 6 into, again another, check the square brackets, 6 into a square plus 7a plus 5 into 2a minus 1. Solve this. It becomes 2a square plus 14a minus 6a plus 3 into 6a square plus 42a plus 10a minus 5b. Then solve it again. 2a square plus 7a plus 3, okay, and into 6a square plus 52a minus 5. So these are the two factors. So which one is the answer among these above ones? 6a square plus 52a minus 5. See, this B is the answer. Okay, do this again by yourself. Okay, download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exam. We have separate videos for those seeing behind those videos on a daily basis, and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.